We are going to learn about one of the most important ideas in chemistry, matter. First, what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Everything around us, including water, air, food, and even our bodies, is made of matter. Matter can be divided into two main categories, pure substance and mixtures. Before we learn about pure substances, let's understand some important words: particle, atom, and molecule. A particle is a very small unit that makes up matter. It is a general word that includes atoms and molecules. An atom is the smallest unit of an element. It is a single building block of matter. A molecule is made when two or more atoms are joined together. For example, one gold atom is a particle and one water molecule is also a particle. Now let's learn about pure substances. A pure substance is made of only one type of particle. This means it contains only one kind of atom or one kind of molecule. Gold is a pure substance because it contains only gold atoms. Oxygen gas is a pure substance because it contains only oxygen molecules. Water is a pure substance because it contains only water molecules. No matter what physical changes happen, such as melting, boiling, evaporation, or freezing, a pure substance stays the same because its particles do not change. Let's understand the difference between a physical change and a chemical change. A physical change changes the form or state of a substance, but it does not create a new substance. For example, when ice melts into water or water evaporates into gas, it is still H2O. The particles are the same, only their arrangement or state changes. A chemical change creates a new substance with different properties. For example, when iron reacts with oxygen and forms rust, a new substance is created. Pure substances can be divided into two groups, element and compound. First, an element is a pure substance made of only one kind of atom. An element cannot be separated into simpler substances by either physical changes or chemical changes because it contains only one type of atom. Next, a compound is a pure substance made of two or more different kinds of atoms chemically combined together. For example, water or H2O is a compound. A water molecule contains hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms. Since it contains more than one type of atom, water is a compound. Unlike elements, compounds can be separated into simpler substances through a chemical change. For example, water can be separated into hydrogen and oxygen through a chemical reaction. Now let's talk about the second category of matter, mixtures. A mixture is made when two or more substances are combined physically, but they do not form a new substance. Mixtures can be divided into two types, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. A homogeneous mixture has the same composition throughout the mixture. If we look at any part of it, the composition is the same. For example, salt water is a homogeneous mixture because the salt is evenly distributed in the water. A heterogeneous mixture does not have a uniform composition. Different parts of the mixture can have different properties. For example, oil and water form a heterogeneous mixture because they do not mix evenly. Let's summarize. Matter is divided into pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are divided into element and compound. Elements contain only one type of atom. Compounds contain two or more different types of atoms chemically combined. Mixtures are divided into homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures have a uniform composition. Heterogeneous mixtures do not. Understanding these categories helps us understand the materials that make up our world.